forces.
Types of forces.
The force.
We are surrounded by a variety of moving objects in our day-to-day lives. Cars, buses, airplanes, boats, and animals are examples of moving objects. An object that is moving is said to be in motion. What makes the ball move? The man pushes the ball with his racket. What makes the car move? The man pushes the car. What makes the wagon move? The child pulls the wagon. In the above pictures, the objects are being moved by a push or a pull. A push or a pull acting on objects is called a force.
Types of forces.
Types of forces. 1. Gravitational force. 2. Magnetic force. 3. Nuclear force. 4. Muscular force. Fundamental forces.
These are fundamental forces. The above three forces, gravitational forces, magnetic force and nuclear force, are all the fundamental forces.
Gravitational force. Gravitational force is the force with which objects pull one another. It is the gravitational force that keeps us bound to the Earth. It also makes the Earth and other planets revolve around the Sun.
Okay, this is the first type of force. Now I'm going towards the magnetic force.
Magnetic force is the force exerted by magnets on each other and metallic substances.
Okay, this is the metallic surface. This one is the metallic surface, and the force between the metallic surface and magnet is called magnetic force. Now I'm going towards the nuclear force.
The nuclear force keeps together the most basic of elementary particles, the quarks. The quarks combine together to form the protons and neutrons in an atomic nucleus. They power.
Basically, the quarks are the basic unit which combine together to make the proton and neutron, and proton and neutrons combine together to make a atom. Okay, atomic nuclear.
Power of the nuclear force is 100 times that of electromagnetic force. This pulls together the quarks and forces them to fuse. It is also used in machines which require tremendous power to work, like submarines and atom bombs.
This is the figure of atomic bomb explosion, and this one is the figure of a submarine, and this one is the atomic nuclear. Okay, these blue particles are neutrons and the red particles are protons, and the force is nuclear force, by which the particles of neutrons and protons are combined together. Now I am going toward the muscular force.
It is the type of force which animals use to push or pull things.
Okay, basically in animals the muscles are used to pull or push the substances or things. Here in this figure we can see that the man with a stone, and the force on stone is basically due to the muscles here and here. In the next figure, this cart is pulled by these bulls, and these bulls having some muscles, and this one is the muscular force. And in this figure, watermelon is pushed by the cat. These all the figures of muscular forces. Summary.
1. An object that is moving is said to be in motion. 2. A push or pull acting on an object is called force. 3. The four types of forces are gravitational force, muscular, nuclear and magnetic.
Thank you so very much. Allah Hafiz.